I'm a senior at Ladue High School.
I'm a senior at Lake Forest High School.
I'm a first-year broadcast journalism major.
In addition to running our Showdown Theater camps, we teach online.
It is a virtual world now, baby, which is why all these products from Saramonic are such a game changer.
We started the school year out all virtual. It's important that I can ask my teachers questions, and with this microphone, the sound comes across very clearly.
It's incredibly easy to set up, has boosted my productivity, and has helped me gain a better understanding of the material in my classes.
Saramonic's lavalier mic allows me to successfully get professional sound to accompany my video for my campus extracurriculars. It also enhances my online school experience and allows for my voice to be heard.
So easy to use, and it plugs directly into your camera or your iPhone.
You can work from anywhere. I can take my students on a virtual field trip.
I'm going back to school.
Back to school.
Back to school.
Back to school with Saramonic.